baller head unit, straight from eBay. Dude.
Should we do a proper intro? Or no?
I mean, if you want to.
Yeah, f them.
Yeah. We never do. This thing has a 6-disc changer. I don't want...
It's a 7-disc.
It is a 7-disc.
Because you got the top disc up there.
As you said,
yeah.
One for every single day of the week.
One for every day of the week.
And a cassette player. So, this is...
For the 8th day of the week.
For the 8th day of the week, you know? Because it's how many days...
So what are we doing with this? Are we just going to look at it all day?
Yeah, we're just going to look at it.
All right.
So,
anyways.
We're going to be swapping this. If you want to take a peek in.
We'll check out the Ganj special that we have here.
So this is the Alpine one. It is super bright at night.
It is the brightest thing on the planet.
So I want it out of there. It's not going to be as bright like during the day.
Yeah. But at night,
dude, this
at night, this is equivalent to the brightness of the sun.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
That is a portable sun directly on your eyeballs.
Press the brake.
Yeah. All right. We're rolling away.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Oh, I didn't think of that. Oh. So this is the entire arsenal of tools you will need to take out a head unit on one of these things. You just kind of just break it up. Boom. And then I'm going to put it back in park. Take that out so it doesn't make chimey noises. 2 screws. 3 screws. That's literally it.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the third one?
There is 2 under here, and then 1 you just kind of loosen all the way out back. Slide this out. Actually, it comes out just like this.
Oh, yeah. All right. That was easy.
Mm-hmm. You like all the early 2000s Polo cologne that's spilled in here?
That smells...
It smells pretty good.
Nostalgic.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. It smells pretty good.
It smells like a mall.
Yeah, it really does.
It smells like a mall in here now. Anyways.
So,
we gotta remove these screws.
It's just a couple. Get this little... I'm assuming the last owner probably used it as an ashtray as well. What was that?
Sounded like hardware falling.
Whatever. It's only hardware. You don't need it.
It's only things holding the car together.
What was that? Doesn't get in the way of shifter operation, so I don't care.
Oh, you got the heated wipers in this thing, Kai.
Yeah, you didn't know?
Oh.
Freaking mint, dude. Heated wipers, heated mirrors, heated seats.
Nice.
This thing's loaded, dude.
Oh yeah, both heated seats.
Except for automatic climate control, apparently you can't do that.
Yes. I was very upset about you not having automatic climate control.
Yeah. Once I found out they had them, then yes, I was also equally as
I wonder if we can literally just install it.
It's just a resistor back there.
Like, I wonder if you can just, like, put it in.
I can. There we go.
So what else do we have planned today, Brett?
You need to do an oil change on your Model T. We're just waiting for proper oil for that thing.
Yeah, we're waiting for Mr. Bezos to deliver it himself.
Mr. Bezos himself.
Bringing me 12 quarts of oil.
12? Sheesh, my guy.
Well, I owe my father 4. The Model T takes 4.
Remove yourself. Yeah.
And then I just have a lot extra to do more oil changes.
Alright, whatever.
We're stocking up.
Yes, you are.
That came out way too easily.
Yep. But it doesn't budge when those stupid little screws are attached. So I'm gonna just pop this guy out for the cigarette lighter. Actually, never mind, that one doesn't want to come out.
Cigarette.
And there's one more back here. Flat rate, baby. We just start cutting things.
Remember when cars like actually had cigarette lighters?
Yes. Actually, you know what? I need the foot on the brake pedal pressed for that, so we're gonna maneuver.
Good work. Good work, sir.
Putting this
right here. Put that there. So I was like, I can take it as well, but
there's 2 screws on bottom and then 4 on each side.
How do you get the ones on the side?
No, these guys.
Oh.
Yeah. And then we slide it forwards, and I have to take out the climate control because this is. I mean, I could unplug it, but the plugs are actually pretty short on these, and the camera bag's about to fall off.
Yeah, I'm Here. Let's see. Here, guy.
Should have brought a magnetic pole. Whatever. I got the floor. That's a magnetic pole. Can't lose things on the floor, right?
Nope.
No,
never.
No place for him to escape to.
Never.
Can't lose things in the compartment here either, right? Oh wait, no, literally. Can't lose things in the compartment.
Nice. That was some skill.
Flat rate, baby. It's pretty good.
Nice car.
Thanks, buddy. Is there a hole there?
Yeah.
Let me look.
Not like it. It's like indented. So this thing.
Oh yeah.
The bump stop. The bump stop punched right. The squishy rubber bump stop. That put a dent in the door.
All fixed.
That was probably some terrible filming from me.
That's fine.
In the moment.
Can't see here, Junior. Can't see here. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna get this other one over here. It's like, I can't quite fit a screwdriver.
You're gonna just make a screwdriver fit?
No,
I guess.
It's loose. Whoever put this in just left it loose. That sounds about right. Yeah, I just took it out with my hand.
Nice.
Here's antenna. Here's other antenna. So is that one?
They're all antennas.
This is the other antenna with the tab broken off. Yeah, sounds about right.
Government is listening to you with all these antennas.
I know one of these is microphone. All right, your microphone. Cool. So yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video. We got something.
Yes.
Is that bracket the same? This one?
All right, guys. See you in the next video. We successfully stole this poor sap's radio. I'm gonna do a cold start in the old WRX.
Yes.
Even though you've been driving it every day. How has the old WRX been driving, Brett?
It's been good. I did notice one more exhaust leak though, is the only thing.
Fantastic.
And that is coming right behind the turbo now. As
Nice.
well as the huge crack in the exhaust right behind the cat.
Sick.
So,
we're gonna have to do an exhaust on that thing.
yep, I've been planning on it. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is all cable driven. I was gonna take this out, but...
Oh, so that means we probably couldn't swap it too.
Oh yeah, that's electronic. I forgot the other one is.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is all cable.
Bruh.
Cable driven here.
Bruh.
Nice. Ah! I gotta say. So, I'm just wondering...
I think that's factory mounting for the race cars.
Yes, it is. I don't think we need... So, my only concern earlier...
Airbag sensor. Let's start smashing it with a hammer.
Yeah, that sounds good. My only concern was this guy. Because there's a few wires cut. I just don't know if that's... This is this? I think we should plug it in and test it.
Yeah, I think you should plug it in and see what it does.
Yeah. Might as well. And if so, we can just...
Windy.
Yeah.
The window's down.
Because it was super hot in here earlier.
For sure it was 5,000 degrees and smelled delicious.
Oh, yeah.
I think we should assume that there's nothing wrong with it until we...
You can shut the key off. Yeah.
I'm trying.
Sorry. All good. Yeah. Yes.
Assume there's nothing wrong until proven there's something wrong.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it.
Plug giving you grief.
Yeah, it was just put in the wrong way.
It's making noise.
It's working.
All-wheel drive.
I guess the key is technically on, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool. Power. Here we go.
Ooh.
This allows.
Oh.
Works.
Yeah.
Wait.
Copyright infringement.
Okay, hold on.
What?
Let me grab.
Oh. Free music.
So,
What did we get?
Oh, Willie Dixon.
Howlin' Wolf.
Never heard of him. Checked another one. Johnny Lee Hooker.
Johnny Lee Hooker. Haven't
Cool.
heard of him.
I've heard the name.
Heard of hookers.
Stevie Ray Vaughan.
Oh,
Dude.
yes, this is a good one.
This one's
That's a score.
Yeah. All right. I'll put this one right here. Okay, that's fine. That was it.
All right, put Stevie Ray Vaughan in. We gotta test this thing out.
I'll just put it in the main.
Yeah.
CD. I also have a cassette tape in there. We'll test.
I got some cassettes too, I think.
You have joined us through the magic of radio.
It works.
The magic of radio.
The magic of
The magic of radio.
It is certainly magic right now.
The magic
ladies
of
and
radio.
gentlemen.
I think we should leave it like this.
East 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just hold it the whole time.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's do this. Sounds good.
Our thanks
Awesome.
to
Weather band receiver. We need to make sure the weather band receiver works.
Yes.
How do we get to the weather channel?
Wait, what?
The weather band receiver, Brett. How do we get to the weather channel?
What in the world? Yeah. Got a sick bike coming by.
I don't know what it was.
I don't know. That sounded good though. Yeah, something's.
Thank you, sir. Or ma'am.
Yes.
Either or.
Okay.
And it's
Don't
gonna,
eat my tape.
It's gonna completely annihilate the tape now.
Probably. That's why I'm using this Chris Isaac one.
I don't know who Chris Isaac is. Let me see this guy.
He's trying to eject. Hold on. I can't see, dude. Hold on. Just again. Hold on. No. Tape. Play. And it'll play in a sec. Yep. Here we go. Works.
Well, let's vault it in now.
Yeah. Let's do it.
And then you got a nice minty period correct radio now.
With a 6-disc changer.
With a 6 dicks.
It's what?
6 dick
How
changer.
many? How many? Dude. I only got one, so that's crazy. Alright, that's enough of that. That's enough of that.
You got a 6 disc changer now.
Great.
7 disc.
7 and a cassette. 8 days of the week.
8 days of the week.
Alright, well, let's...
I'm working 27 hours a day, 8 days a week, 400 days a year.
Yeah.
You got soft hands, brother.
You got some... I wash my hands with brake fluid and brush my teeth with sandpaper. We are not the same. Alright, let's put this in. Let's get this going and then freaking... Yeah, there you go. Alright.
Good.
Installed.
Installed.
Installed. And then this one, we just...
I thought you were
later.
actually going to throw it.
No, I'm keeping this.
The less questions you ask, the less you get hurt.
Whatever. I guess.
Did you just sniff that?
Yeah, I was like, is that from this with the cologne? No, it's glue from something. Somebody broke something when they were doing the...
Dude, sniffing glue.
I'm huffing glue right now. So when they installed that old radio, they broke something and glued it in.
This
I was
is
making
most-
sure it wasn't from that.
This is the most unhinged.
Ricers installed baller head unit from
Ricers return. Ricers unrice. Subaru Outback by installing stock radio.
Yes.
So every once in a while I get a whiff of my Model T from this thing.
What, oil?
Gasoline, I think.
Gee, I wonder where that's from.
Yeah, cut to the clip of you thinking I broke your fuel line.
Yeah. I thought you like leaned on it and snapped it. I was like, bruh.
No, I just do that with your intake.
Yes. Yes. That thing is still broken.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. It's like, what, 2 cents at a junkyard?
It was literally the first day you had the car. I think I did it though.
Yeah, it was. Oh well, whatever. It's fine. More air equals better.
Exactly, I was just trying to give you some more horsepower.
Dude, that looks kind of good.
It does look kind of nice. It looks like the way it should.
Exactly. And it won't blind me at night too.
Yeah, we're unracing this thing.
We're unracing my Subaru. My Scroobaroos and Priz.
It's done in Priz.
My Subaru Levorg.
Yes.
Why is it not fitting?
Levorg. It's
LeGeorge doesn't fit.
Levorg.
Yeah. Oh, because there's a plug in the way.
We should put Liberty badges on it.
At some point. We can find some. Those things have all been scrapped over there.
No, they haven't.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got the MCM guys keeping them alive.
Keeping one alive. Well, two, yeah. That's your home. Too good for your home.
Go home.
Good old Happy Gilmore reference here. Crappy Gilmore right now. This is not working. Tighten. It's just rounding out. Tighten. That's how you know it's torqued properly. The torque wrench is the screwdriver. When it starts coming off the screw because you're tightening it so hard, it's torqued. When it starts slipping, it's torqued. Properly. That is the torque spec. Is yes.
Yes.
Yeah, just like that. Torqued. Take this hunk of garbage. There we go. Where's the other hunk of garbage?
On the seat.
Yes.
Oh, that hunk of garbage. I see.
Put this in first. And then screw it in first.
Yes.
I was like, wait a minute, where'd the screws go in this thing?
Wait a minute.
Where are my screws, dadgummit? Doggone screws that I'm missing. Not torqued yet. Torqued.
Now slam that thing in. How'd that go on?
It goes on like this. I just don't want to scratch up the other one.
Done. Done.
Yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad.
That looks pretty good. I'm gonna come up front for a POV.
Yeah, that looks really good actually.
Very nice.
Dude, sweet.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad. And everything works too.
Yeah.
And we got 4 free CDs. I'm probably scratching them doing this, but whatever.
And we got some free CDs.
Checker. Oh, I was like, wait, is that Chubby Checker? Is that who that is? Howlin' Wolf? Dude, I don't know who any of these people are other than Stevie Ray Vaughan.
Yeah, I like Stevie Ray Vaughan.
It's pretty good.
Anyways, I don't have a CD player.
Why did I think something of yours had a CD? But I thought the Sop had one. Now is that also cassette?
That's also cassette.
Oh, well, that sucks. All right, well,
Yeah. It's gonna be in the Subaru.
here I'll give you a.
You'll give me a
I'll
slot.
give you a
in
slot,
The,
yeah.
Give me a slot.
I'll just put it in that. I'll put that one in there.
Success.
Success. Great success. Where'd the old one go?
Is this gonna be one episode by itself? You think?
Can be.
All right.
Yeah, we'll be those hustlers and do like
2
videos one day.
couple of videos in a day, you know.
I'm down.
But
So,
all right, so
got a load of crap out. Got some free CDs. Tape's mine.
yeah.
And
And the Outback's got a minty radio now, so
yeah, the Outback's pretty mint now.
I think we'll see you in the next video.
I dropped something. One of my 3 tools to do that entire job.
Peace out, everyone.